See what happens. Let's end it. 5 bucks first fish. Let's end it. Alright. Whoa, bro. That was a good catch. Make longer cast. Try to get it like as far as you can. Got a fish. Got him. Yep. He came off, dude. That could have been my first fish. It was $5, dude. That was $5. I know there's a fish. I have a fish back there. Oh, got one. Yup. Yup. That's a good one. Come on, buddy. Oh, yup. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Got him, got him. Oh, that's a good one. I need the net. I need the net. I need the net. Oh, grab the net, grab the net, grab the net. I'm gonna lose him, Pope. Grab the net. I think I already lost him, dude. No. He broke off, dude. See, I left all that for you too. I didn't fish there, so. I think I got a fish. Yep. Got him. Yep. Yep. That's a good one. Ooh, that's a good one. Yes, sir. He's coming up. Wait. All right. Ready? Put the net in. All right. He's gonna break off. There you go. There you go. Ooh, that's a good one, dude. That's a good size. I'll take that. Yes, sir. Little dink. There you go. Nice little bass. Ooh. Yep. Got a fish. Yep. Feels good. Wait. He's coming this way. Stay down. Nope. He's coming. Whoa. Not ready. Get him. Yes, sir. Sir.